TNXP stock analysis and TNXP stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I am the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made and documented on my YouTube channel. Like, it's all out there. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And show me another person that has proof of them actually just talking about all this bullish side like way before, right? It was 17 bucks when I really started buying here, and this is like a month ago, 24th of April. And briefly, like over the next couple of days, I had like a break-even hit, then a bullish idea here. So we went from 17, now we're 38. It's more than a double. And one thing that I can tell you for me is that I'm like, once we open up Monday next week, all I'm looking to do is buy more as long as there is a shift and all the rules are met. Now, if they're not met, obviously I'm not going to be buying, but sticking to my rules, and all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting, you know. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye.